Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to see how to download a YouTube video onto your computer. So first we're going to go to your channel page and you are going to tap the icon and then you go to YouTube Studio. So when you're in your studio, you're going to go to content and this is where your videos are. So you're going to be choosing the video you want to download to your computer. So I'm going to choose my first video here. So you hover over it, and as when you see the three dots, you go to download. It's as simple as this. So you just tap on download and it will be downloading on your computer. As you can see, mine is downloading right there. So this is one method, and we're going to be seeing method 2. So method 2, you're going back to your channel and then you go to the home page. I'm going to be choosing any random video here and we're going to be going through the step 2. So you also tap the three dots that are on the video and you click download. So this works for videos that are not your videos. So this method downloads the videos onto your YouTube app in the YouTube app on your computer. As you can see, it's downloading this video onto my computer, but I'll be able to watch it through the YouTube app. So this is method 2, and then the last method is for downloading it onto your computer, like into your local disks, so that it's not in the YouTube app or anywhere like the first one. So in this case, we're going to be going to home and I'm going to be choosing a video. I'm going to choose this, and you tap the three dots and then you go to share. So after you see the link, you copy that link. So it copies it to your clipboard, and then we're going to use this pretty amazing site, and it's totally for free. It's called yt1s.com. So just type in yt1s and then just press enter. It's the first option, the first link that comes up. So I'm going to be tapping on that, and this is the site. So we're going to be downloading. You can transform your YouTube to MP3s, MP4s, and you also can download Facebook videos. So we're going to be downloading YouTube. So you tap and paste the link and then you press convert. As you can see, you can make sure it's the link you have. So I'm going to put this. So after you get to link and it converts it and it says download. So when you turn the download button, as you can see, it's downloading on my computer. And that's how you download YouTube videos on your computer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.